Overwhelmed by choices? Trust us to guide you to the finest selection with our meticulously curated list of the top 6 products. Discover more about each item by exploring the detailed descriptions and pricing information. Tripp Trapp. The Stokke Tripp Trapp is an incredibly popular option for a reason. It's super sturdy and durable and will last for years. The weight limit is nearly 250 pounds when used as a chair, so adults can sit in it too. This makes it a great investment piece and features an attractive minimalist design. It is also fairly compact compared to many other options, and without a tray, it can easily slide underneath or against a table. We did find assembly to be a bit difficult. The instructions weren't super clear, and it took almost an hour to get it all put together. Once it's together though, it's pretty easy to use and lightweight enough to move around with ease. The included cushion is machine washable as well, and there is no tray to clean. One can be purchased separately. One negative thing our real-world tester noted is that it's a bit awkward to get a baby's legs in and out when using this as a high chair, especially if your baby is on the larger side. My little one is so tall and the chair seems a bit small to get his legs in, our tester noted. We practically need 2 people to put him into the chair, one to hold his body and another to awkwardly bend his legs to slide them into the chair. It's something worth keeping in mind, especially with the higher price point. That said, our testers did feel this was worth the price. Bugaboo Giraffe. The Bugaboo Giraffe wooden baby high chair combines elegant design with practical functionality, providing a comfortable and even secure seating solution for your little one. Crafted from high-quality wood, this high chair exudes durability and sophistication, making it a stylish addition to any modern home. Suitable for newborns, toddlers, and adults, the quick-click adjustment system and a range of easy-to-attach Bugaboo Giraffe accessories guarantee comfort and safety from birth. Featuring an adjustable design, the Giraffe high chair grows with your child, accommodating their changing needs from infancy to toddlerhood. Its ergonomic seat and footrest ensure optimal support and comfort during mealtimes, play, and bonding moments with family. Safety is paramount, with a secure harness system to keep your child safely in place while seated. The sleek and minimalist designs seamlessly integrate into any kitchens or dining area, adding a touch of contemporary elegance to your living space. Easy-to-clean baby chair, made from sustainable materials, including FSC-certified European beechwood, compliant with all safety standards, PFAS-free and food-safe, comes in 4 stylish colors. Maxi-Cosi Moa. A great toddler high chair grows with your child, keeping pace with your little one's development, and the Maxi-Cosi Moa fits the bill, converting into 8 different age-appropriate configurations. The chair's numerous transformations made quite an impression on our tester, who gave it a 5 out of 5 for multi-stage functionality and value for money. Mealtime can be chaotic, which is why Moa is engineered for effortless tidying. Features a water-resistant, machine-washable insert, a detachable 5-point harness that's also washable, and a tray safe for dishwasher use. Moa ensures your child's eating area remains impeccably clean. Its modern design, characterized by sleek lines and a versatile color scheme, effortlessly complements your home decor. Boasting a seamless construction without hidden crevices, Moa prevents food from becoming lodged and offers a touch of luxury with its premium material and refined finishes. No tools or screws are necessary for assembly. Moa seamlessly adapts to accommodate your baby's evolving needs. With an adjustable footrest and harness, Moa prioritizes your baby's safety and comfort throughout their developmental stages. Obee Odee. The versatile wooden baby high chair, a remarkable 11-in-1 convertible chair designed to grow with your child from infancy through toddlerhood. Crafted with premium wood and thoughtful engineering, this high chair seamlessly transforms to meet the changing needs of your little one. From a traditional high chair for feeding time to a booster seat for independent dining and even a toddler chair for playtime activities, this multifunctional chair adapts effortlessly. What sets it apart is its ability to accommodate 2 babies simultaneously, making mealtimes with siblings or play dates a breeze. Equipped with a double tray for added convenience and versatility, along with a secure 5-point harness system, safety is always a top priority. The easily cleanable PU cushion ensures that messes are swiftly dealt with, leaving the chair looking fresh and tidy for the next use. With its sleek designs and durable construction, our wooden baby high chair not only provides practical functionality but also adds a touch of elegance to any nursery or dining area. Invest in your child's comfort and convenience with this essential piece of baby gear that promises years of reliable service. Cube. The Cube 3-in-1 Foldable Baby High Chair, a versatile and convenient solution for mealtimes and beyond. Designed with both parent and baby in mind, this high chair offers unparalleled functionality and ease of use. With its innovative foldable design, the Cube high chair is also perfect for families with its limited space or those on the go. Easily folded away for storage or transport, making it ideal for use at home or when traveling. The removable seat and tray make cleaning a breeze, ensuring that mealtimes are mess-free and hygienic. Plus, the adjustable height and recline feature allow you to customize the chair to suit your child's needs as they grow. Equipped with locking wheels, this high chair provides stability and safety during use, while also offering the flexibility to move it around with ease. Whether you're feeding your little one or simply spending quality time together, the Cube high chair provides the perfect setting for shared moments and memories. Invest in the Cube 3-in-1 foldable baby high chair and enjoy the convenience, comfort, and quality it brings to your family's daily routine. Baby Trend. Sit. The Baby Trend. Sit Right 2.0 3-in-1 high chair in cozy gray, designed to provide both comfort and versatility for your little one's meal times. This high chair boasts a range of features that cater to the needs of both parents and babies alike, and is equipped with 3 modes, including a traditional high chair, a booster seat, and a toddler chair. The Sit Right 2.0 grows with your child, ensuring long-term usability and value. The adjustable tray offers convenience during feeding sessions, while the 3-point safety harness keeps your baby secure. Crafted in a stylish and neutral cozy gray color, this high chair effortlessly complements any home decor. The easy-to-clean seat pad ensures that messes are swiftly dealt with, maintaining a hygienic environment for your little one. Additionally, the Sit Right 2.0 features a compact fold for convenient storage when not in use, making it perfect for smaller spaces. Whether you're enjoying family meals or snack time, the Baby Trend Sit Right 2.0 3-in-1 high chair provide a comfortable and functional seating solutions for your child's needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.